Fixed and Stable Bodies, and today's move is going to be leg lifts into tabletop. So have a lie back. You may or may not need something underneath your head, and you're going to choose a flat back position. Arms up towards the ceiling, keep your shoulders really heavy into the mat. On your inhale to prepare, start to engage the pelvic floor, draw in the tummy like your trousers are a size too tight. And then on your exhale, fold at the hip and float your knee up to a right angle position. Knee over hip, leg at a right angle. You're going to inhale, hold it, and then you're going to exhale, start to float your other leg up, so that's also in tabletop. Really important thing to note right now is that you don't feel as though you're pressing your lower back into the mat. You feel like you're holding everything at the front, ribs are engaged, lower belly's drawn in like your trousers are size too tight, pelvic floor lifted and activated. You don't feel as though you're actively pushing your back into the mat. Really important, back should feel long along the mat but not pushing in. And then as you breathe out, you lift one leg or lower one leg back down. Inhale, stay, and then exhale, other leg comes back down. Remember to swap your start leg each time. Keep your arms up, your shoulders heavy. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, lift, one leg into tabletop. Inhale, stay. Exhale, lift, second leg into tabletop. Inhale, stay. Exhale, lower that first leg back down. Inhale, stay. Exhale, lower that other leg back down. Inhale, stay. Great exercise to focus on core strength, so lower belly strength, flexing at your hip, and also great breath control.